Hello again everyone, really excited about today's video. We're gonna basically analyze gaming chat content to see if we could detect in-game cheating. The use case is, as a gaming company, you kind of need to monitor what's happening within the game amongst the users to try to identify and isolate any unfair advantages, anybody using any types of exploits on your system. That was the aim for this application of AI as well as our fine-tuned pre-trained model. Initially, I just have, like previously, blocks of text that I can use to test with. This one, we're going to go through the basic statement of the first user says, I found this amazing aimbot that guarantees headshots every time. Second user says, I'm not concerned about that, just trying to clear this level. The third user says, well, my friend told me about a wall hack that lets you see through walls and spot enemies easily. So summary of the findings, user 654, the first user, I found this amazing aimbot that guarantees headshots every time. The summary is user 654 mentions using an aimbot, which is a third-party tool used to gain an unfair advantage by automatically aiming weapons with perfect accuracy. This would constitute cheating. So it didn't isolate the second one with the friend telling him about the wall hack, but it did pick up the first one. The second one, hey, anyone know of any ways I can make money from what I built in here? Second user says, I found a glitch that lets you duplicate rare items and sell them for profit. The third user says, this mod lets you unlock all premium content without paying a dime. So it did pick up the first and the third user. A statement about duplicating rare items and selling for profit suggests exploiting a glitch in the game for unfair financial gain. Third user, POIUP. It picked up the statement about unlocking premium content without paying, suggests using unauthorized third-party tools, mods to access paid content for free. This would also violate the game's terms of service by bypassing the intended payment mechanic. So there you have it, that you can leverage artificial intelligence, or in this case, our pre-trained model, our fine-tuned model, to extract and identify in-game cheats from chat conversations where they allude to any sort of extracurricular activities. Once again, in-game cheating detection by FalconsAI, 125.